Welcome my dear students of class 5A and 5B to my GK class. Today this lesson I am going to teach you Unit 6 topic amusement parks. This is a lesson of amusement. Now points, theme park, attractions, gatherings of people, cities of India, usefulness of amusement parks. First point, theme park. Now amusement parks are also known as theme parks. Amusement park is also known as theme park. Why? Because there are various types of entertainments are there. A number of sources are there in amusement parks where people can gather, people can enjoy all kinds of events, all kinds of entertainment works by paying money. This is amusement parks. A number of cities are there in India. Amusement parks also are there for entertaining the people of India who are very fond of enjoying these amusements. And next point, attractions. Amusement parks are constructed in order to attract millions of people of India. In each country of the world, a number of amusement parks are there. In our country, India, there are so many amusement parks. It attracts the people to come and visit and to join all kinds of entertainment works with people of different classes, different categories, different sections. They unanimously and collectively enjoy all kinds of entertainment works in amusement parks. That's why the most important attraction is a number of events, a number of sources of amusements. Visually, it attracts the people to come and enjoy with this. And next point, gatherings of people. People generally gather there not only to enjoy but also to experience a lot. For example, I myself, along with my family members, went there to enjoy enjoy all the events, all the amusement sources, but there is no provision of enjoying it with only my family members, but we have to share this with other people. So we have to enjoy all these things anonymously, collectively, and these kind of things change the mentality of the people, especially those who are very much conservative in nature and mentality. They can become broad. Their mentality can become broad because of that experience they gather from there. And next point is cities of India. In our country, there are many important cities, and these cities are the centers of a number of amusement parks. For example, Calcutta, Bombay, Madras, Hyderabad, Bengaluru, and so on. So these are the important cities of India where a number of amusement parks are made. For example, Delhi, for example, Mumbai, for example, Kolkata, for example, Hyderabad, for example, Kochi, Chennai, Kerala, Bengaluru. So these are the most important cities of India where a number of amusement parks are made for providing people entertainments, recreations, and these amusement parks are constructed. Amusement park also is known as theme park because it is when it is constructed, it is made very much decorative, and it increases it increases the habit of enjoyment along with family members and entertainment attractions. This entertainment attracts people. For example, rides and other events in a location for enjoyment. A large numbers of people gather there to enjoy it. A number of amusement parks are there in different cities of India. For example, Calcutta, Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kochi, and so on. A number of amusement parks are there. And next one, usefulness. These amusement parks are very useful to us. Now, why is it useful? A person who always remains busy in his profession, having no time to enjoy, it is very useful to them. Once he goes there, he would repeatedly visit there, he would repeatedly enjoy all the events of that amusement parks. So it increases energy, it removes all kinds of monotony and make our life very healthy, very sporting, very energetic. That's why amusement parks are very important for our health, for the development of for the growth of mental and physical health of our body. That's why amusement parks are very important to us. Now, what are the names of the amusement parks of different cities of India? The first one, Delhi. At Delhi, there are two amusement parks. In Delhi, two amusement parks are there. Number one, what are their names? Adventure Island. One amusement park is there known as Adventure Island, and another one, Fun and Food Village. Fun and Food Village. These are the two amusement parks of Delhi: Adventure Island, Fun and Food Village. And the next one, in Kolkata, one famous amusement park known as Nikko Park. Nikko Park is an amusement park of Kolkata. And next one, in Hyderabad, one famous amusement park is there. What's the name of it? The name of this amusement park of Hyderabad is Ocean Park. And what's the name of the amusement park of Kochi? The name of the amusement park of Kochi is Vigaland Now Wonderla. Vigaland Now Wonderla is the name of an amusement park of Kochi. And what is the name of the amusement park of Chennai? VGP Universal Kingdom. VGP Universal Kingdom is the name of an amusement park of Chennai. And what is the name of the amusement park of Kerala? Vismaya is the name of the amusement park of Kerala. Vismaya is the name of an amusement park in Kerala. Vismaya. And what is the amusement park of Bengaluru? Name one amusement park of Bengaluru. Wonderla. Wonderla is the name of an amusement park of Bengaluru. So these are the names of different amusement parks of India and the towns where these amusement parks are constructed. Number one, Delhi. There are two amusement parks in Delhi. One is Adventure Island and another one is Fun and Food Village. And one amusement park is at Hyderabad, SL World. Another one, most important amusement park of Kolkata is known as Nikko Park. Amusement park of Hyderabad, Ocean Park. Amusement park of Kochi, Vigaland Now Wonderla. Amusement park of Chennai, VGP Universal Kingdom. Amusement park of Kerala, Vismaya. amusement park of Bengaluru, Wonderla. So these are the important amusement parks of India and the cities of India where these amusement parks are constructed. After this, my dear students, simply you have to learn the names of these amusement parks and the places where these amusement parks are made. For example, SL World. What is SL World? Where is it situated? This type of questions may come. In that case, you have to write what is SL World? SL World is an amusement park. Where is it situated? It is situated in Mumbai. Your answer is over. So by this way, you have to answer this type. You have to face this type of questions and answer it. This answer this question by this way, and always avoid mistakes. Learn it properly, write correct answer. Up to this, my dear students. Thank you.